I'm Dr. Bryce Stewart. I'm a Senior Research Fellow at the Marine Biological Association. The ocean provides, this whole mix of things. It provides us food, oxygen, mental health benefits, connections to nature, inspiration, and it regulates our climate. If we didn't have an ocean on this planet, it's estimated that the average temperature on Earth would be at least 70 degrees Celsius. So the ocean is absolutely fundamental to our very existence. The marine environment is very closely connected to Yorkshire. There's a long coastline, several hundred miles. So the culture, the people here have been sort of forged by the sea. Fisheries have been important for centuries, if not more than that. We've got all these quaint fishing towns, like Staithes and Robin Hood's Bay. Nowadays bring in a lot of tourism. So, there's a whole load of different benefits that it brings society here. Probably the biggest threat to marine life is actually overfishing. At the moment around the world, 1/3 of fish stocks are considered to be overfished. So a good way to think about this is basically spending money faster than you're earning it, right? And eventually, if you don't change what you're doing, you run out of money or fish in this case. And I guess alongside that, you've got increasing competition for space in the sea, which is somewhat linked because actually off the coast of Yorkshire, we've got some of the biggest wind farm arrays, but that is, at times anyway, closing off areas of the sea to other users. Those tensions are only going to increase, and we've got to keep managing everyone and their different sort of demands on the ocean. As an environmental scientist, obviously climate change is really at the top of my agenda. We've seen record ocean temperatures, and that's affecting everything from where fish live. They're having to move either north or south according to which hemisphere they're in. Their breeding is being affected, their growth. Other parts of the world is things like die-offs of kelp and other species. And that is bad for lots of things, but it's changing the chemistry of the ocean, basically. It's making it more acidic. We know from looking at historical documents that the marine life around the UK and off Yorkshire in particular was much, much richer than it is now. If we can start to manage the marine environment better, we can reduce the sort of pollution that's going into it and manage our fisheries more sustainably. We can start to see the marine life becoming richer again. And that would be an amazing thing to see. So please just get involved in the Marine Life Survey. It's your chance to be heard and to make a difference.